Soldier among two shot dead reportedly after a party dispute in St. Anne's. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaica Defense Force soldier private is among two men who were reportedly shot and killed by unknown assailants in the Spring Peace district of St. Anne's on Saturday, following what sources are saying was a dispute at an entertainment event. The deceased have so far been identified as 25-year-old Luton Sinclair, the JDF private, and 38-year-old Delroy Webb, a mechanic, both of Spring Peace District in St. Anne's. Reports from the Ocho police are that shortly after 11 p.m., residents heard explosion and summoned the police. On the arrival of the law enforcement officers, both men were seen suffering from gunshot wounds. They were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. No official motive has yet been established for the killings, but sources have indicated that the both now deceased men were earlier at an entertainment event where a dispute developed. Sinclair and Webb reportedly sought to and seamlessly succeeded in quelling the dispute, but the event came to an abrupt end. It is further reported that Sinclair and Webb left the venue, and shortly afterwards explosions were heard. An investigation has been launched by the St. Anne's police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.